When you think about curtains, what comes to mind first? Maybe the fabric, the color, or the pattern. But here's something most people don't realize. The way you hang your curtains is just as important as the fabric itself. Most of us only know about basic rings or clips, but the truth is, there are so many creative and stylish curtain hook designs that can completely transform the vibe of a room. In this video, I'll reveal 10 curtain hook styles you probably never knew existed, from simple and minimal to elegant and luxurious. And trust me, after watching this, you'll never look at your curtains the same way again. Style 1. Pinch pleat hooks. This classic style is all about neatness and sophistication. Pinch pleat hooks pull the fabric into structured folds, giving curtains that hotel-style look. They create symmetry and order, perfect for formal living rooms or master bedrooms. Pair them with heavy fabrics like velvet or brocade for maximum impact. Great for tall windows where the pleats can really show off. Tip: if you want your room to look polished and high-end, pinch pleat hooks are a safe bet. Style 2. Pencil pleat hooks. A more casual cousin of pinch pleats, pencil pleats create smaller, tighter folds, almost like little lines drawn with a pencil. Works beautifully with both light sheers and medium-weight fabrics. Perfect for creating a soft, flowing look in bedrooms or family spaces. Affordable and versatile, making them great for any budget. Tip: if you love a relaxed but tidy look, pencil pleat hooks are ideal. Style 3. S-hooks. For a modern and minimal style, S-hooks are a favorite in 2025. Easy to hang, no complicated sewing or pleating needed. Perfect for lightweight curtains or sheer panels. Give a contemporary, almost industrial feel. Tip: S-hooks look amazing in loft apartments or minimalistic homes. Style 4. Decorative crystal hooks. If you love glamour, this one's for you. Crystal or glass hooks are like jewelry for your curtains. They sparkle when light hits them, adding instant luxury. Available in many shapes: round, diamond cut, or floral. Best for formal spaces like drawing rooms, dining rooms, or chic bedrooms. Tip: pair with silk or satin curtains for that ultra-glam look. Style 5. Magnetic curtain hooks. One of the smartest inventions for modern living. No drilling, no sewing, just snap them on. Perfect for renters who can't make permanent changes. Super versatile. Use them to hold curtains back or even layer fabrics. Tip: best for light to medium weight curtains. Avoid very heavy drapes. Style 6. Tieback hooks. Tieback hooks are a timeless way to hold curtains to the side. Can be simple metal hooks or ornate decorative pieces. Work with ropes, tassels, or fabric tiebacks. Add a touch of drama and tradition. Tip: if you're going for a vintage, royal, or classical look, tieback hooks are a must. Style 7. Hidden track hooks. For those who love a super clean look, hidden track hooks are unbeatable. The hooks slide inside a rail, completely invisible from the outside. The curtain appears to float from the ceiling to the floor. Perfect for large windows, hotels, or ultramodern homes. Tip: use floor-to-ceiling curtains with hidden tracks to make your room look taller and grander. Style 8. Clip-on hooks. The simplest and most practical option, but still stylish. Just clip them onto the fabric. No sewing needed. Easy to switch curtains in and out whenever you like. Works with all types of fabrics. Tip: use clip-on hooks if you love changing your curtains often with the seasons. Style 9. Swag hooks. This style is all about decorative draping. The fabric is looped over the hook to create a swooping, elegant shape. Works beautifully with sheer fabrics for a romantic, soft effect. Adds a dramatic flair to formal rooms or large windows. Tip: best used in traditional or classic decor. Think French-inspired or vintage interiors. Style 10. Designer hooks, custom shapes. Finally, for those who love something unique, custom designer hooks are the way to go. Available in creative designs like flowers, geometric shapes, or even themed decor. These hooks act like small art pieces on your wall. Perfect if you want your curtains to stand out as a design feature. Tip: match your designer hooks with your room's theme. For example, nautical shapes for a beach house or metallic modern shapes for a city apartment. So, Those were 10 curtain hook styles you never knew existed, from classic pleats and modern S-hooks to luxurious crystals and hidden tracks. Which one caught your eye? Do you prefer the elegant pleats, the glam crystal hooks, or the minimal hidden track design? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to know your favorite. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos on curtain trends, luxury TV unit designs, and modern living room decor ideas. Because in interior design, even the smallest detail, like a curtain hook, can completely transform your space.